Hi everybody, welcome back to Louise Street Studio. I'm Amanda and I wanted to introduce you to the newest journal. This is a small journal. It is green and gold. It's the Naturalist Floral Journal. It is beautiful. It has a bunch of Sari silks pieces on the front. It is 9.5 by 6.5. It's only a one signature journal. It's got green fabric on the back and a bunch of trims and laces, Sari silks. I've put this with a removable notebook area so you can take out and fill up and then stick it back in when you are ready. The front cover has a pocket with a couple of tags and envelopes. This floral digital kit is from my Porch Prints, the Naturalist Floral Journal Kit on Etsy. It's beautiful and it's worth downloading for sure. The one signature that I have in here is about 60 pages, and I've got a couple of really cute pages in here, just different papers. That is a mulberry paper. Here's some more of that digital. This is a dyed paper that I did. And a tag. Here's some more coffee dyed papers. Some more mulberry. Avocado dyed. Coffee dyed. I've put in some pockets, little belly bands. Here's some vellum. I like to leave empty space and pages blank so you can add your own goodies. Each of my journals come with a packet of all kinds of papers and beads and paper clips and all kinds of things to help encourage you and give you some inspiration on decorating it yourself. Here is a little triple pocket. Some more mulberry paper. Here's the center. Some charms. I love these bookmarks. They're just beautiful. I love the different kinds of florals she's used for this kit. It's so pretty. I love this mushroom ribbon. And a doily. Some more coffee dyed. Here's another tag. And here's a little pocket with some more space for your goodies. And then here's the back part. I've got another large pocket, some more envelopes, and a large tag. And that is it. And I sure hope you enjoy this flip through. This is going to be the green and gold journal, Naturalist Floral. And I really hope you enjoyed this flip through. I hope you have a great day.